Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 25th of July 2021 question. Question number 17. If dy dx is equal to 1 plus x into e to the power y minus x and x lies between minus root 2 to plus root 2 and y0 is equal to 0, then minimum value of y is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of differential equation, and it's also a memory based question. So dy dx is given here. Dy dx is equal to 1 plus x into e to the power y minus x. That implies e to the power minus y dy dx is equal to e to the power minus y plus x into e to the power minus x. That implies e to the power minus y dy dx minus e to the power minus y, that is equal to x into e to the power minus x. It is equation 1. So this is the Bernoulli's equation. So now let e to the power minus y is equal to t. That implies minus of e to the power minus y dy dt is equal to, dy dx differential with respect to x. So it is dt dx. So now putting this value in equation 1. So now 1 become minus of dt dx that is equal to minus t e to the power minus x is equal to t. So this is minus t, that is equal to x into e to the power minus x. So now dt dx plus t is equal to minus of x e to the power minus x. So now integrating factor is what? Integrating factor is equal to e to the power minus e to the power, it is 1 into dx. So it become e to the power x. So it is e to the power x. So now this one become t into e to the power x is equal to minus of x dx. So now this one, that is implies after integrating t e to the power x is equal to minus of x square by 2 plus c. Now this is given that y0 is equal to 0. So we know y0 is equal to 0. Therefore c is equal to what? C plus 0 is equal to 1. As we put in y0 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So c is equal to 1 here. C is equal to 1. So putting this value in this equation, so it become t into e to the power x is equal to minus x square by 2 plus 1. So now this one become e to the power t. Now putting the value of t is equal to what? E to the power minus y. So e to the power minus y e to the power x is equal to minus x square by 2 plus 1. So now this one is equal to x minus y e to the power x minus y. So e to the power x minus y is equal to minus of x square by 2 plus 1. Now that implies x minus y is equal to ln it is 2 minus x square by 2. So now y is equal to what? Y is equal to x minus of sign change. So it is ln 2 minus x square by 2. So now differentiating this, we should calculate the minimum value of y. So differentiating, so dy dx is equal to, now that implies dy dx is equal to 1 plus 2x divide 2 minus x square. So now putting, if we should calculate the minimum value, then dy dx is equal to, putting dy dx is equal to 0. So now this one become, so this one become 2 minus x square minus 2x by 2 minus x square is equal to 0. So here we get the values of k is equal to 1 plus minus root over 3 root 2 or minus root 2. So now plot these in number line. So here is 2 point, that is plus root 2, here is minus root 2, and here is the point, that is 1 minus root 3 in the middle. So in this area x is negative, and in this area x is positive. So the minimum value of x is equal to, so minimum value of x is equal to 1 minus root 3. So now putting this value in this equation, so here we get y is equal to minimum y minimum is equal to 1 minus root 3 minus ln root 3 minus y. X is equal to 1 minus root 3. So after calculating, here we get. So this is our required solution. So we reached. So our right option is option 1 is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution. Now moving to question 18. So question 18 tells us this is the question in the a 2D question, and it is from JEE Main 2001, 25th of July 2001 question, and shift 1 question. So it's also a memory based question, data collected from the student. So a balloon with radius 16 centimeter at a certain height above the ground, such the angle of the evolution is certain, its center is 75 degree of the point of the ground. If the balloon subtend the angle 60 degree at the point, then the height of its topmost point from the ground is, 4 options are given. So now a balloon is in the radius 16 centimeter. So here is a balloon that is in the this one is the balloon. Now we just draw the picture. This is the balloon. So this one is the balloon, and it's make a distance. So this is the angle which is making in the ground, and now the 75 degree is center of evolution. So this angle is 75 degree. So it is the center of the balloon. So now just draw a line, and this one is 30 degree, and this one is 30 degree, as because the hole is 60 degree. If the balloon sustain the angle 60 degree at the point, so it here is the point where balloon sustained the angle 60 degree, and this is 30 and 30, and this is the angle of evolution 75 degrees. So it is 30 and it is 75 degree, 45 degrees, so it is 75 degree. Now here is the point, top of the point, that is A. It is the point A. So here is the point A, we just draw, and this is the line, this is the line on top of the, this is the line. We should calculate the value AE. So point it AE. Now this here we draw a line, that is Q, and it is R. So now it is mentioned in the question that is the radius is 16 centimeter. So now join this one is 16 centimeter also, and this is 16 centimeter. So for calculation, let's draw, it is the perpendicular, it is QD. So this angle is 90 degree, and if this angle is 90 degree, this is 16. So now QR divide PQ is equal to sine of 45 degree. QR divide PQ, QR divide that is PQ. So this angle is 45 degree, so this is sine 45 degree. So now QR is equal to what? PQ sine 45 degree. PQ is equal to what? PQ is equal to here PQ. So PQ is equal to, we know, at first we calculate the value of PQ. So it is sine 45 degree, we left it, and we should calculate the value PQ. PQ is equal to, we know, it is if it is 16, so it is 16 into third, so it is 8 root 6. So it is 8 root 6. So now QR is equal to PQ, and QR is DE is same, so it is 8 root 6. So it is 8 root 6 in, and this one is also 8 root 6. So whole lines, that this whole line is what? This whole line is 16 root 3, as it is sine 30 degree, 16 into sine 30 degree, so it is 16 root 3. So now length, this one is D is equal to this one is 16, this one is 8 root 6. So we should calculate the value of this. Here is the point we mentioned, that is C. So length of CD divide CQ is equal to cos of 45 degree. As here is the point, that is 90 degree, we should draw the perpendicular. So this one is 90 degree. So this is, so now CD is equal to what? CD is equal to 16 into 1 by root 2, that is 8 root 2. Therefore A is equal to what? A is equal to A is equal to what? A is equal to AC CD, AC plus CD plus DE. Therefore AC is equal to 16 plus CD is equal to 8 root 2 and DE is equal to 8 root 6. QR and DE are same, so it is 8 root 6. So 8, taking 8 common, so it is root it is 2 plus root 2 plus root 6. So according to the solution, we write it is root 6 plus root 2 plus 2. So now option 3 is our correct choice. 8 root 6, 8 into root 6 plus root 2 plus 2. So this is our required solution and this is our correct choice. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box, and these two are most important and tough solution. So any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.